Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you fundamentals of marketing principles and marketing mix. In the subject food project planning and entrepreneurship, discipline is food and biotechnology. Now let's start the topic. What is marketing? Marketing is typically seen as the task of creating, promoting, and delivering differentiated goods and services to consumers and businesses at the profit. And what can we market? Basically, we can market places, properties, organizations, goods, and services. And what can we market is experiences, our informations, ideas, events, and persons. Marketing mix has basically 4 P's: product, price, place, promotion. Place is which is convenience to buy. Okay. Then product is consumer wants and needs that product, and promotion is communication basically, and price is cost to satisfy. The 4 P's are the product, price, place, and promotions. Marketing mix, that is product. The following decisions should be made upon the brand name, functionality, personality, positioning, range, and looks. These all factors are responsible for the product. Packaging. The packaging material is a very important thing to buy any to marketing any product because it attracts the consumer. Then quality, if the quality of the product is not good, then no one can buy that product. Safety, if that product is not safe to consume or to the consumer, it will never be sold out. Repairs, warranty, and services and accessories, that and brand pyramid. Then marketing mix price. The following decisions should be made. The pricing strategy, suggested retail price, volume discounts and wholesale pricing, cash and early payment discount, per price per SKU. Then marketing mix according to the place. Order processing, warehousing, inventory management and transportation. These all are in the including the place. Then marketing mix promotion. The following decisions should be made for the promotion: personal selling and selling force, communication, advertising, public relations, promotional strategy, that is push or pull strategy, and marketing communication budget. Another is segmentation and target markets. For the food products or any other products, there is a segmentation or the targeted markets. For example, for baby foods, the target market is babies, and demographics target group SEC, age, gender, and location. Segmentation and target markets, psychographics target groups, basically lifestyle. For urban lifestyle, people are more prone towards the more attracted towards the ready to eat products or processed products rather than in the rural lifestyle. Then preferences and activities. Segmentation and target markets also includes the things to look at when addressing different markets. It includes the product modification cost, manufacturing cost, administrative cost, inventory cost, promotion cost, and how to introduce a new brand. First of all, we have to do research, then category brand, that is the gaps portfolio, then R&D. We will do R&D for the product or the new brand, then industrial, then brand and com, and sales, then trade, consumers, and then we will know what is after sales. Then product life cycle. Any product normally goes through the 4 different life cycle stages. First life cycle stage is its introduction. First of all, we need to promote it or promotions, or we need to create an awareness about the product is available in the market. The need for the immediate profit is not a pressure, and the product is promoted to create awareness. It's just the introduction. Then growth. Competitors are attracted into the market with very similar offerings, and advertising focuses upon the building brand. And market share tends to stabilize in this life cycle stage. Then maturity. Sales grow at a decreasing rate and then stabilize. Price wars and intense competition occur. At this point, the market reaches saturation and producers begin to leave the market due to poor margins. Then there is a decline, more innovative products introduced or consumer tastes have changed, and there is an intense price cutting. Therefore, the product life cycle is in the decline phase, and it will occurs during according to the time. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.